Good evening, afternoon, everyone. This is Jody from Bird Dog Off-Road Adventures. Today, we're going to install the hammer-built strut limiter for the tailgate. Stay tuned. All right, so some of you may be wondering, you know, we had the mountains to metal unit on here previously. I'm just going to say this is nothing wrong with this kit. The only problem we had is with this BroncBuster filler plate. We had to take that off because where this moves the strut down lower, it hits the plate. Like I said, nothing wrong with this. It's a great product. We'd highly encourage you all to get it as well. But unfortunately, and I looked at the RTR kit as well, and it will not work as well because it does shift the strut down, which will make it come in contact with this plate when you shut the door. So we're going to try this one from Hammer-Built. As many of you all know, we were one of the early adopters for the Hammer-Built tailgate reinforcement, and we can put a link to that video down below. You know, so we've been happy with their products. It's a very good tailgate support system. We upgraded from Rough Country to it just because we liked it a lot better. So, and that's part of the reason why we want to put a limiter on here, so that way if we decide to put rotopacks back here, we're not have to worry about busting our tail light lens. As most of you all know that have viewed my videos, you know that we had a little incident with that. That's why we have the covers on. So anyway, long story short, we're going to get this on. Should be a quick and easy install. Not much different in size, but it does restrict those travel some. Alright, so unfortunately due to technical difficulty, I didn't get the whole process done. But basically, you just pop this on this side, the big end, and you pop this on the small end. And then we're going to test it, see if it closes. Well, it's a little stiffer. Yeah, from what I can tell, it doesn't hit the filler plate. It's definitely more stiffer. All right, so it's on. Like I said, fortunately for technical difficulty, I didn't get the whole steps. But basically, you just take the old one off here. You just pull this clip up, pop it in. Just be a little extra careful. Same thing with the bottom one. And just like the other video I did on the other piece, just make sure you grab your tailgate so it doesn't sling into anything that might be behind it. So this is with it. It's only goes out to 90 degrees. So that's it. You're looking at it. So it doesn't go out to 110 or 100 like the mountains to metal. So if you don't have the bumper filler plate, just, you know, they're not that much different in price, I don't think. Maybe the mountains to metal might be a little bit more, but it has the functionality of adjusting it. So either way, you're not going to lose, so to speak, but it's just a matter of how much functionality you want and how much you're willing to pay for it. So that's kind of how I look at it. But yeah, this definitely fits the bill. So if you're wanting to do this and you have the BroncBuster filler plates with your body lift, then you'll definitely want to do this option.
As always, thank everybody for watching. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing. We got more to come. Thank you so much.